When you think about how to design a project, there are a couple of parameters that come into your table. It's a very messy process where it's in the end an intuition that guides you what to choose and how to create a certain hierarchy of elements of designing. Here we have references, as I mentioned before, the tree as the place where communities and villages would meet, a place for community, for a village. The tree also in the logo of Hasseltse, the hazelnut trees. And then maybe it's also in the translation of the design of an aesthetic that looks a little bit more kind of technological, and that also referred to the former site that you had here, which was the cargo area with these huge steel trusses for the loads and unloading, which was another inspiration for the site. And maybe the rusty color of this, old steel structures that were kind of decaying here, somehow romantic about the very lively time of Hasselt. Now this area completely gets transformed into the future of a city development. This is one reference. The other reference, of course, is that somehow we get inspired by the 1970s, where there was a moment of kind of thinking about the spirit of what future can bring. It was a moment to look forward, a moment of experimentation in materials, in how we live together, in family structures, in the way we communicate, what are chemicals, what is technology, what is nature, what is technology, what is artificial, what is natural. All these questions, I think, are very current and started to become an issue around 1970s, 1960s, 1970s. And I think this is a moment where we can pick up again on architecture and look into the potentials that haven't been tested at some point, and now I think we are ready to go beyond that.